Siyempre, ikaw, no? Alam mo naman,
Sasabihin mo na naman sa akin mag-pelikula ako. May soap
hindi, una sa lahat yan, natutuwa nga ako kasi babalik ka na sa pag-arte. Meron ka ng puro sa inyo.
You know, my first kiss was with her. Did you know?
Oh.
Yeah. Remember or no?
I do.
Oh, I thought it wasn't a great kiss.
So, did you find it delightful or were you traumatized?
You're talking to her or me? Her.
You, because
Well,
I've kissed many.
She's kissed many already. So I said, Regine, how do I kiss you? We're like family. She goes, you kiss me, I'll kiss you back.
No, I'll kiss you.
You kiss me back. It was a great kiss, by the way. Just so you know. She's a very good kisser.
Anong klaseng kiss ba yun?
Lips to lips, ano ba? We were doing a teleserye, kunyari. It was a great kiss. One of the best. Actually, it was a great. If I remember, the fact that I can remember it and talk about it, it's a great kiss.
You're such a great actor, Martin. We believe you.
I'm a lousy actor, but when it came to that kiss, there was no more acting. It was easy because Regine made me very comfortable.
Well, at least it came from you.
That's true. She's a great kisser.
So, going back, what is it all about? Obviously, it's a comedy kasi ang title for Señorita.
Yes. The new soap is going to be comedy, may konting drama. Kasi nga hindi naman ako magaling mag-drama masyado, so comedy na. Hindi, siguro I'm more comfortable and I feel more confident doing comedy soap. But, alam mo naman yung mga comedy, lagi namang may drama pa rin yun, may puso pa rin. So, it's going to be like that. Mayaman ako, and then I'm going to tour. Ganyan.
Parang mas magandang title yung Pobreng Señorita.
Señorita.
Or Pobresitang Señorita. Kaysa sa poor. I don't know, ha?
Oo.
Parang ganun.
Sabihin natin sa GMA. Sulatan mo si GMA. Hello, GMA?
Under house arrest eh.
Ibang GMA.
I'm sorry. Anyway, have you heard that they continued Mrs. Rector and iba nang gumaganap?
Yeah, I saw...
Did they ask your permission? Kasi
No.
they're using the footage that you did before.
They did. They never asked me. And that's all I have to say to that.
And since you did a show on theater, haven't you considered doing musical theater in full? Bagay na bagay sa yung Bridges of Madison County na pinapanood. Bagay ka kay Regina.
Talaga? Thank you.
Or the one that Don did, A Little Night Music. Bagay din sa iyo. Were they Sending the Clowns?
Thank you very much. Siguro if there's a good offer, but I'm more comfortable doing Filipino musicals, like an original Filipino musical. If there is a good Filipino musical that would fit me and the songs are good, then I'll probably do it. But I'm just waiting for a good project. Kasi hindi ako masyadong...
Baka akala nila kasi hindi ka open sa idea na mag-musical theater ulit.
Hindi lang ako masyadong comfortable sa Broadway style. Hindi ako yun eh.
Oo okay naman yung ginawa mo dun eh.
Pero mas gusto kong Tagalog eh.
Hanggang Maria Clara ka na lang.
Ma-jonders siya Jumonders na si Maria Clara. No, I'm sure that they can come up with an original Filipino musical. One of these days, I'm sure they'll come up with something.
No, we'll write about that para may mag-offer.
Para may mag-offer.
Si GR.
So hopefully, may magandang storya at may magandang songs. Then, yeah, sure.
So, dito wala kayong gagawing theater pieces?
No. Wala tayong Broadway. No. Wala. Not this time. This is purely, pop. So, but there are a lot of love songs. There are a lot of classic songs though. Marami namang classic songs. May enjoy din ng different ages and different, iba-ibang genre din kasi. So, I think they'll be able to enjoy.
So, yung version na dadalhin nyo sa Cebu is exactly the same?
Exactly the same. Except it's in Cebuano. Good luck.
So, So far, anong masasabi niyo yung working relationship niyo with the younger singers that you have?
They're very good.
Did they meet your expectations?
Oh yeah, and more.
Si Martin,
But I can feel still though that they're a little shy.
This one especially.
Oo,
Oh my God.
nahihiya pa sila.
Well, I have a feeling this will be the secret weapon on Saturday.
Yeah, but I think pagdating ng Saturday,
Siguro hindi mawawala yung minsan talaga nakakahiya kasi
nahihiya sila. Meron silang konting apprehension. I don't know.
Kaya ka ba?
Kasi naman, because of your stature
Ginawa ko sa
in the
akin.
industry.
Diba? Hindi naman siguro, but like ito, nahihiya siya minsan, pero alam ko na pagdating mo sa concert, bobongga niya talaga yan. Kasi, syempre, iba kasi pag nandun ka na sa stage eh. I used to feel that way also
I was
before.
gonna say, parang ikaw before.
Before, I also get.
Regine used to be so quiet during rehearsals. Since 1984, we've been singing together. And then sa stage, sino to? Biglang lumabas itong babae na nag-bell.
No, kasi talaga naman pag nasa stage ka, nasa saniban ka, it's a different, you'll have a different energy, especially when you hear the people clap already and they're cheering and you can see that they're enjoying. Para ka talagang nag-iibang tao, nasa saniban ka talaga. So I'm looking forward on Saturday because I know these two will just give it their best.
Wala namang feeling na somehow na-threaten kayo ng mas dating gumagaya sa inyo tapos ngayon makikipagtalbugan sa inyo. Wala ganun feeling.
Well, now that you mention it,
Well, yeah.
I'm feeling it now. Sorry you didn't bring it up. Now I can feel it. It's
Ako kasi halimaw ako eh, so...
halimaw. Is that like a
A monster.
A monster. Akala ko seafood.
So, wala.
Wala. Zero, as in none. Because they always ask us questions. Baka mamaya they'll sabotage us on the show. Who knows? I think that's worth watching, don't you? Find out if the olders will be sabotaged by the younger. You'll never know. All I know is they're the nicest people to work with. They're very professional.
Yeah, very easy to work
The
with.
people behind them, or the whole family both their families, they're really easy to work with.
So, Eric and Angeli naman, totoo ba yun, sama meron parang feeling of intimidation na parang intimidated kayo na sabi nyo na nahihiya kayo? Hindi ba mawawala yun?
Ako, hindi po talaga eh. Pero, nilolook forward ko na lang po, dream come true talaga sa akin ito. Kasi, kagaya nga po nung sinabi ko nung mga nakaraang press con po, si Miss Reg lang po talaga yung kaisa-isang ultimate idol ko simula noon. At gusto ko kasi yung kapag maraming nakapanood na katulad ko, yung parang ang taas-taas ng pangarap ko pero nangyari. Di ba parang ganun? So parang gusto ko lang ma-inspire yung mga
iiyak na yan.
bata. Tapos na. Hindi, naiyak ako talaga. Hindi, gusto ko lang mag-sorry kasi every time talaga na ako ang tinatanong about sa yung dito sa Royals talaga naiyak ako. Pero sana huwag kayo magsawa. Pero kasi talagang mababaw lang yung luha ko. Masaya naman talaga.
So, tigilan mo na kasi kukumpara ka na kay Emelda Papi. Hindi ba?
Hindi, magkaiba naman kami ng edad. So, hindi, gusto ko lang basta masyado na po ako emotional about
Ayan, Jules, huwag mo nang sabayan si Angeline. Pag-iyak.
Actually, dito sa
How can you not fall in love with these kids?
Talaga, after maiyak ni Angeline,
Iyak ka naman,
naiiyak
ayun
ang
ka.
host.
Iyak ka para sa akin.
Kasi experience.
Actually, may poster ni Regine. Ikaw wala kang poster ko sa...
Kasama ba?
Sabi mo yung kay Rufa May. Wala na may akin.
So, ikaw Eric, ikaw naman.
Siguro hindi mawawala yung nahihiya kasi ako kung tatawan, I will forever be a fan eh. And biruin mo, isipin mo lang before talaga mo. Hindi ako iiyak, huwag ka mag-alala. Dati di ba, nanonood lang ako ng mga concerts nila, bumibili ako ng mga plaka nila, and ngayon, from doon sa point na kinukuha namin, ako personally kinukuha ko silang special guest sa mga naging concerts ko in the past. Pero iba yung ngayon eh. Kasama ko sila on one stage na sa isang big concert like this. So iba yung napaka-overwhelming nung nararamdaman ko. So as much as possible, syempre I need to keep up with them kasi alam naman natin kung gaano sila kagagaling pagdating sa mga live performances. So, yun.
Pero after the picture na naman feeling ko, mas sincere si Angeline sa pagiging fan niya.
So ako hindi.
Kung mali na lang siya. What do you think?
Hindi, kasi mukhang makaka-R&B talaga siya.
I knew it! Mas magaling pa ako sumayaw. Who's better, you or me? Pag nini tayo sa concert,
Wala tinanggal eh.
Walang dancing.
Meron na ba?
Si Martin pa.
Keep up with me,
Wait, si Erin, nag-train yan kay George Sal, dapat ikaw.
Me? My trainer is carrying me.
Carl! So, si Ellen Ramos naman daw ang magtatanong.
Okay.
Okay, Manay. Ayan, ayaw na.
Bago tayo let's all congratulate and wish MJ Marfori. Let's all wish her the best. Ngayon, speaking of weddings,
You got married? Why?
may tanong kay Eric and Angeline. What if you get invited to sing at the wedding of somebody we all know who just got engaged abroad? The family name happens to be also Quinto.
Depende po kay Eric.
Ano lang dalawa?
Medyo bata yung lalaki, di ba?
Si Ana will pay for the fare. In
Oo
going to
naman,
San
tita.
Francisco.
Why not? I am more than willing to sing for her wedding kasi iba naman po talaga yung pinagsamahan po namin. And we're still friends up to this day. So, sobra po akong masaya para sa kanya.
Nasabi mo sa kanya yun?
Hindi pa, mamaya din.
Naniniwala ka na mauwi talaga sa kasal.
Bakit parang pumayat ka? After the announcement.
Alam mo nila?
Parang pumayat ka ngayon.
Hindi po nagkasakit ko kasi ako last week. Pero nalaman ko lang 2 days ago. Hindi ko po maintindihan yung mga posts niya. So I had to ask her cousin kung ano ba yun, kung kasal na or engagement pa lang po pala. So,
Sa bagay, baka pumunta sila sa Magallanes. Apelido ng lalaki at Magallanes.
Manay, nag-iipon pa lang po si Peachy for the wedding.
Ngayon namit mo ba, Angeline, siya?
Yes po, pareho po kasi kaming guest ni Eric sa yung concert. Folks, kailan ngayon?
concert ko.
Isa pa isa.
Yes.
So, dun po kami personal na nagkakilala ni Rifami. So,
Ano sabi si Peachy?
ayun, nag-picture kami. So, yan lang.
Sa tingin mo, sincere siya sa ginawa niya.
Oo naman. After nun, hindi na po kami nakita ulit. So, yun lang yung...
Sincere kasi.
Hindi, mabuting tao naman si Rifami.
Paano mo nasabi mo kung siya matapos?
Mukha naman.
May maganda pa siyang ginawa sa'yo, ninigaluhan ka ba niya para masabi mo siyang mabuting tao?
Nagpa-picture siya sa amin.
Picture siya.
Ayun lang.
Nagtanungan ba kayo kung saan galing yung mga kinto niya, kinto mo?
Ay, oo nga. Kasi Kuya John, tinatanong niya ako, baka daw Hindi namin alam na magkamag-anak kami. Pero kasi sinabi na sa akin yung province nila, magkaiba. Kasi Pangasinan kami, sila. Sinabi siyang probinsya, hindi ko maalala.
Ay, hindi ka sincere.
Pampanga ba?
Oo, Pampanga siya.
Parang P.
Jun, may tanong ako sa'yo.
Yes, Manay.
Bakit for a change, mayroon ka kayong co-host? Kahati mo ba siya sa ano?
Hindi, Manay, hindi ka po invite.
Pareho,
Sorry, Manay.
pareho kayong manalo.
Sorry, Manay, kasi hindi kita na-invite ng second press ko. Nag-appear na siya doon. Doon may talent piece siya. Tapos dito sabi ko, wala akong budget, Richard. Hindi ko kailan. Basta co-host ako kasi baka maging issue na tinanggal mo ko after ng isang co-hosting. Baka maapektuhan daw yung career niya.
Ay,
So,
grabe.
sabi ko, sige, kung libre, why not?
Kaya pa nanalo siya ng shots. Ngayon, I have a question for Martin. Martin, what makes you our concert team this long? Dahil mo pa ang presidente after every 6 years, napapalitan.
30 years ba? 30.
It's actually, I'm on my 34th year. In July, it will be 34 years. Well, thank you. I don't know what ever made me concert king, but I'm proud to be whatever they call me because it's a benchmark, it's a milestone, it's a peg, it's a guide, it's a compliment to be called concert king, but it's also another reminder that we have to really keep up the game, no? I think one of the reasons why I'm probably still in these concerts, even I ask myself, when Anna gives me the offer, hey, you want to do a show with me again? Wow, sure. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed to still have projects. I think it's the people I hang around with. It's the people around me that keep me there. I don't think I can take any credit for being here. Most of you here, the press, you can end my career with just a delete sign, right? Just press that delete and I'm gone. So I receive and accept and claim every blessing that I get, and I hang around with the right people. So far, I've made a lot of good choices with my shows, and I try very hard not to take anything too seriously, like my age in the business. I don't think there is an expiration date. It's when you say that you've had enough, or when they say they've had enough of you. So far, for as long as there's a song for me to sing and a show to sing it in, and people to sing it for, I will be here.